Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of boxing and fitness, with what I believe is the best punching bag for beginners out there, the FITVEN Freestanding Punching Bag. If you're just starting your journey into boxing or kickboxing, or if you're looking to enhance your home gym setup, this punching bag is an absolute game changer. Let me tell you why. First off, let's talk about its construction. The FITVEN punching bag is built like a tank, with a multi-layer design that ensures durability and longevity. From its stainless steel tube stand to the tear-resistant premium PU leather outer material, every aspect has been carefully crafted to withstand the toughest workouts. Now, what sets this punching bag apart is its advanced shock absorption system. Equipped with dual TPU absorbers and 4 springs, this bag delivers fast rebound angles and 360-degree shock and noise absorption. Whether you're throwing punches, kicks, or elbows, you'll feel the impact without the jarring noise or vibration. Stability is key when it comes to training, and the FITVEN punching bag doesn't disappoint. Its 5mm thick ABS base combined with 12 strong suction cups ensure that it stays firmly in place, even during the most intense workouts. Plus, when filled with sand, the base weighs up to 205 pounds, providing maximum stability and peace of mind. But wait, there's more. With this punching bag, you'll also receive a pair of high-quality boxing gloves. These gloves boast 7mm thick foam padding and a pre-curved anatomic hand design for optimal shock absorption and protection during your training sessions. Don't just take my word for it. Customers love the FITVEN punching bag for its durability, quality, and performance. Whether you're a seasoned fighter or a complete beginner, this bag has everything you need to take your training to the next level. So there you have it, folks. The FITVEN Freestanding Punching Bag. The best punching bag for beginners on the market. If you're ready to elevate your boxing experience and transform your home workouts, this is the perfect addition to your arsenal. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, keep punching.